Okay, here we are, 2018, May 31st. First video of Projects Fuller. Gerald Fuller is my name. Doing this 1978 GMC motorhome that was a Budweiser 17-passenger limousine. The chassis is pretty well done. The interior is gutted to start the Toyhauler conversion. Took the old Oldsmobile 403 cubic inch engine out and put in a new GMC 8100 engine from Mercury Marine. Modern fuel injected engine, and I'm going to go with a composting toilet. I can't really see it in there, can you? Anyway, and so I'm going to lay out the interior of it using 2x2, some plywood, and cardboard to get the final specs down. It's been all converted to disc brakes and a 4-bagger system there with disc brakes on the rear, big anti-sway bars, all new frame, heavier gauge than original. And then my real passionate project is this new folding bicycle. So this one folds up. Let's see here, right? This is the luggage, 22 by 14 by 8, which is the smallest all the airlines allow. This is a 1/4 scale model. And the handlebars will fold ahead like this. Then this part of the frame go to there. This is just out of aluminum. I'm making the full scale size one now. Handlebar folds down to there. Then the next part of the fold, as soon as you turn it all the way backwards, it latches there. You have to unlatch it to unfold it. Then the bike folds in half there. The wheels are coincident, so you can just roll it around through airports, subways. The bag will sit on here. You can roll it in through grocery stores, fill up your bag, and then if you want, you can put it all the way down. The widest thing on the fold is the seat. So it fits in the 22 by 14 by 8 luggage with room to spare. Still got room for, in the smallest carry-on, your laptop, everything else. And this is the first full-size prototype wheel using the Tannus airless tires, the Anther 1.1. They just came out with this size a few months back, so it actually measures 14.1 OD, and here it is in comparison to my DeHaan Dove folding bike. So the tires are just a little bigger. They're called a 16 by 1.25, but they actually measure 14.1 inches. These OD at 13.25 inches. But now that they have the airless tires, so I'm going to make carbon fiber wheels, and then the ribbon flange will bolt on after on the other side, because these are the Tannus airless tires. So I'll have no drop center. So anyway, since somebody I was listening to said now a cell phone is better than video production of a few years ago, I am going to start building on this. The rear end will come off of this. It'll be bifold doors to make it into a toy hauler to carry dirt bikes, bicycles, motorcycles, our shifter carts over there. If you need to go 100 plus on a go-kart, there you go. And so First video, very unprofessional, I'm sure. I'll play it back once to see, but I'm not going to spend much time doing these because I'm also trying to learn to use SolidWorks CAD system. So I'm 2 hours a day doing that. And anyway, so there's the first prototype of the full-size wheel. So now I'm going to make the full-size bike out of wood to test the fold and be able to show it, hopefully raise funding for the project. Here are parts of the full-size frame, the center section, and so then the swing arm. Now the chain will be inside the frame, everything. I've got a Patreon site too that I just started, has more pictures of the bike and stuff in the design. All right, there we go. Bye.